Imagine powering your entire RV, your lights, air conditioning, fridge, and more, all from one smart, compact system. No noise, no fumes, just clean, limitless energy. Meet Bluetti's new RVSolar 48V power system, the future of mobile off-grid power. Officially available now, Bluetti's latest innovation delivers up to 6 kilowatts of combined AC and DC power, enough to run 99% of home or RV appliances. From the morning coffee maker to your cooling system, this powerhouse keeps it all running seamlessly. Unlike bulky custom installations, the RVSolar 48V arrives pre-wired and ready to go. Bluetti's all-in-one design lets you complete system wiring and initialization in just 30 minutes. It's powerful engineering simplified. With an expandable capacity of up to 122 kilowatt-hours, you can scale your setup for any journey, from weekend escapes to full-time off-grid living. And thanks to CAN protocol support, it works seamlessly with third-party batteries, solar panels, and electrical systems. At the heart of the system lies Bluetti's B4810 lithium iron phosphate battery, rated for over 6,000 charge cycles and built to last up to 17 years. And with its self-heating function, it delivers reliable power even at -4 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees Celsius, ensuring you're ready for any adventure. Control everything with the 10.1-inch e-pad display or fine-tune your settings remotely through the Bluetti app. Track energy usage, monitor performance, and optimize your setup anytime, anywhere. The base package, including the RV5 Power Hub and B4810 LFP battery, starts at $2,799. You can also pick and mix components to suit your needs. And for a limited time, early buyers can claim an extra 10% off with the code Bluetti RV10OF, valid until November 2025. Clean power, smart design, endless freedom. The Bluetti RVSolar 48V power system. Power that moves with you.